If you're tired of guessing your trades and second-guessing every entry, then this might change the way you see the market. In today's video, I'm going to show you a smart indicator setup that focuses on exact buy and sell zones, built to reduce confusion and bring clarity to your decisions. Now let me be clear. No tool is magic, and the market will always carry risk. But what you'll see here is a high-probability approach designed to help you identify cleaner entries, better timing, and more structured trades. I'll walk you through real chart examples, explain how the signals work, and most importantly, how to use them with proper confirmation so you're not relying blindly on any indicator. If you're serious about improving your trading and want a no-guesswork style system, stay till the end, because the final setup can completely upgrade the way you execute trades. Please support the channel by like and subscribing. We will try not to make the video too long. Let's start the video. We open the gold 3-minute chart. And don't sweat the time frame either. Next, you'll want to find those magic indicators. Head over to the Indicators tab and search for the Buy-Sell Perfect Signal. Select the indicator made by Nitin Malhotra and add it to the chart. Now the indicator settings change for perfect signals. First, we have change signal sensitivity 2.5 to 2.4, and after change ATR length 10 to 11, and after change video length 10 to 1. We have to keep these options hide. Here everything is fine after that. Click OK. Now we'll add one more indicator to make this strategy more powerful. Let's on the Indicator Search tab, Normalized Smoothed MACD, and select this one called Normalized Smoothed MACD Indicator, created by Dread Blitz. Now let's access the settings of this indicator so we can modify it to suit our strategy. First, we have change Reg Smooth MACD, line to columns, and after change MACD fast period 12 to 9. And here everything is fine after that. Click OK. Now our setup is ready. Let's see how we use these trading setups. Please support the channel by like and subscribe when the Buy-Sell Perfect Signal arrow of this indicator is buy signal. When the Normalized Smoothed indicator should be green columns. When the market forms a bullish candle. If this condition is fulfilled, then we will place by order. Our stop loss is to be placed at the green line, and the risk-to-reward ratio will be 1:1.5.